some healthy, cool recipe. Remember, you look like what you eat. So basically you can manage your health, you look like, only with managing your diet and food. So basically, yeah, simply by changing little bit food, little by little, day by day, step by step, you can, let's say, improve your health state a lot. And you look like as well. Okay, what I'll cook today? Maybe not the healthiest thing, but I think it's not that bad, and probably will not get fat from it. So we will cook some buckwheat, and a Ukrainian traditional dish, super simple. Probably before people cook a lot of simple stuff, it's cooked cabbage. So in the cabbage, I cook a little bit, but for a big family, in the cabbage. If it's young, it will cook much quicker. If it's a big one and old, probably will take some time. And speed it up. We will cook it in a pan, normal pan, no Teflon, everything natural, or you can boil it inside. So basically, we just put it in, put the water. When the water come out, that's it, it's finished. So basically it might take 15 to 20 minutes and preparation, so it's not that long. So basically at the same time you can cook, let's say, some salad, some healthy sweets, let's say buckwheat is getting ready. So let's go. So you can use a shredder, or you can use a knife, whatever, you can make it manually. So we cut it in small pieces. Smaller we can. Take a little bit of time. Yeah, so then it's really important. Same like Ukrainian soup, we add bay leaf and some pepper. So basically you can add like the whole pepper or melted one. Usually you can really add any chili, but if you really like the spicy food, yeah, you can add maybe a little bit. Okay, so basically we will not use the root. So basically we add pepper and salt when it will be ready on the end. We don't need to boil it with it. A little bit of salt. Remember, we don't need too much salt in our daily life, so it's really small amount, it's really enough. But yeah, we can get added easily to everything, to the sugar, to the salt, to the spices, even to the chili. Then we'll add a little bit of onion, basically up to your taste. Some people add a little bit, some not add at all. Some people like to add garlic, I will, and some people not. If you don't like the smell of the garlic, so basically you can use a powder, you can add the garlic powder, and you can make your own combination, like add a little bit of sesame seeds or whatever. But usually, like my grandmother, it's only cabbage, a little bit of onion, and tomato sauce. It will be good if it will be homemade. So, for my homemade tomato, we need just tomato, not this one, it's too small, it's just for decoration, for my salad. Like normal tomato, you can put in a blender, blend it, add a little bit of chili or pepper, whatever you want to, that's it, and you can boil it. So you can have a tomato paste, homemade, without any preservatives. Or you can make it raw, like in Abkhazia, people put a little bit of pepper, sweet pepper, tomato, blend it, and eat it raw. Tastes amazing. So basically, both of ways you can use for our cabbage. And for make it a little bit sour taste, what make it more interesting, you can add a little bit of vinegar, or you can add green apple juice, so it's really sour, or if you don't have both, and lemon acid, or a little bit of lime, or lemon, or whatever. It's really up to your taste. So, yeah. Another thing is really important, wash everything before you cook, and wash your hands before you go to eat. It's a golden rule. Everything else is not that important. So let's say I will add a little bit of onion. It's maybe 10-15% of the whole cabbage, let's say. Really not that much. And I will add the onion a little bit later because the cabbage cooked way quicker, same like onion. I will add the onion powder, make it easier, and tomato paste as well. So let's put it for the cook, and it will take how long? 15 or 20 minutes. But with oil you can add really cool stuff. You can add the bread. It's complex carbs bread, and even better if you cooked it home. So first of all, this will be cooked with love, so your friends will love it. Secondly, you know what you put inside, so it will be super healthy with natural flour. And when you cook for yourself, it's very, very easy. You don't need to explain to other people what you like, what you don't like, need to put sugar or not, don't put palm oil, and etc. And you can find a way how you can make it really, really quick. So okay, I'll come back to a little bit later in 15 minutes, I guess. Okay, so we put our cabbage cooking, so basically it's boiled already. So wait until all the water come off and add our onion and garlic. And yeah, I forgot about the carrot. Yeah, you can put it through the shredder or can cut it. So I just cut it in really nice small pieces. So carrot will take about 10% from all the mass of the cabbage. And it's optional. Some people like to add carrots, some not. I do. I like to add all. Bay leaf, tomato paste, pepper, salt, natural sea salt, please. That's it. And also 10 minutes, I guess. Yeah. We will use lime and lemon juice.